I'm Dr. Korianne Haas with Flourish, MD Acupuncture in Encinitas. I'd like to tell you a little bit about who I am and what I do. I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist, and I decided to go full-time into medical acupuncture and alternative medicine in order to better serve people who are suffering with pain and disease. I always knew that I was going to be some kind of a healer, and coming from a family of doctors, it seemed only natural that I would go through Western medical school and become an MD. It was also natural for me to become an anesthesiologist because I really like working with my hands, and the best part was you got to take away people's pain. Going through my training and practice, it dawned on me that doctors didn't have all the answers that people were seeking. They commonly came in with complaints, things that bothered them every single day, and doctors would brush them off and say, "We'll come back in a year, your labs look normal." As I began searching for alternatives, I learned that my grandfather, who was a medical doctor back in the 70s, decided to go to China and learn medical acupuncture. I think he must have been seeking some of the same answers that I was looking for. He brought that back with him, and he had a very successful practice with patients lined around the corner, and they were constantly telling my Aunt Tammy, who's his youngest daughter, what an amazing healer he was and how he had helped them with things that nobody else could help them with. So my Aunt Tammy is an ear, nose, and throat doctor in Arizona, and when she heard about this amazing medical acupuncture for physicians course, she decided she had to take it. She wanted to do what her dad had been doing. And she passed this excitement on to me. So 5 years later, I went to the same medical acupuncture training with Joe Helms, which was absolutely phenomenal. And I learned the first step of an amazing discipline where I could just really help people with all kinds of problems that had previously been very difficult to treat with what I knew from Western medicine. What makes medical acupuncture, or acupuncture energetics, a uniquely effective treatment modality is that it combines this time-proven ancient wisdom of the East, where you're moving qi, energy, and blood through meridians and breaking up blockages and improving blood flow and balancing energies, with our Western understanding of disease, pathophysiology, and anatomy. So while I'm combining the two modalities, I can both balance the patient at the time, but also affect lasting change on the underlying processes that are leading to the potentiation of pain and disease. The three main treatment modalities that I'm using right now are the acupuncture energetics and aroma acupoint therapy, in which specific therapeutic grade essential oils are actually placed on acupuncture points. And you do specific sequences for specific issues, but you can actually get a very profound treatment, very similar to using needles, but without the needles. As well as alternative treatments and procedures, which are incredibly effective and safe, and they're able to balance and improve the immune system. They improve oxygen delivery to the tissues, and they actually improve the oxygen utilization in the cells themselves and the energy production of those cells. If you don't want to settle for a hopeless or limiting diagnosis, or have to take a medication for the rest of your life, or undergo surgery that could possibly be avoided, give me a call for a second opinion. I'm Dr. Korianne Haas with Flourish, MD Acupuncture.